Riding in the mountains, you expect hazards, sand, rocks, deer, but I wasn't expecting that. I'll probably share it in another video, but I had a bobcat run into the side of my leg while riding. The camera is on my good friend's bike. You are usually seeing him on a Sportster, but he's now on a ZX 1100 and making good use of it. But as you'll see towards the end of the video, now that I know the road's a bit better, I'm making him work for it now. This road has been closed for the past 3 years and just opened up since I've been up here. It's been a blast to ride. They get a ton more snow on this side of the mountain, and that caused an avalanche which washed out part of the road. But they've got it patched up and it's absolutely gorgeous. When you see how steep the hills are on the high side of the road, you realize why avalanches happen here. Here I'm starting to sneak away from him. It's not that he's not capable of going a lot faster, it's just that he's having to pick up the pace. From the Shell station at the bottom of the hill in La Canada over the mountain to Wrightwood, where we're headed, is 66 miles and an uncountable number of corners. See, the road follows around the contour of the mountain, so it's bound to have a ton of turns. Now he's starting to use more of the road than I do, but note, he's got a clear line of sight to that next corner and he's back in his own lane before the corner approaches. His belief is, if there's nobody using that part of the road, why shouldn't he? I'll let him talk his way out of that if he needs to, but I don't entirely disagree with him. It's not dangerous to anyone if there's nobody there. Personally, I like the added challenge of keeping it between the lines. I'm trying this vertical format really for the first time in a while, and I'm questioning whether it shows how nice these corners really are. These bikes are getting leaned over pretty well. And I got to admit, after chasing him for a couple weeks now, it's pretty satisfying to not really be pushing it. That Ducati's just cruising through these corners, and it just grunts out of them with the torque of the big twin. I don't feel like I'm going that hard. It sure looks like he's putting some effort into keeping up with me though.